Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you the amenity kit that you get with premium economy on Delta Airlines. It's a Tumi amenity kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I'll be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at the Tumi amenity kit that you get in premium economy on Delta Airlines. Now this is actually labeled as Delta 1 there at the bottom, as you see. This is the little thing that goes over, that slides over the kit there. But in the kit we've got we've got an eye mask, we've got Le Labo lip balm, got mouthwash, a pen, as well as a toothbrush, toothpaste, and socks, as well as earplugs. So that is the spread you'll be getting and what you can expect to get on Delta Airlines and premium economy with the amenity kit. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. I will catch you next time. Thank you.